Howdy folks, I'm the Lazy Tech Man and welcome to Astrotube. Just arriving today is the new WarpAstron WD-20. So this was delivered literally about half an hour ago, so I thought I'd do a very quick unboxing for anyone who might be interested. So without further ado, we'll take a quick look. So first of all, the box it comes in is a very nice flight case, very well padded inside, very nice indeed. I'll just close that up for a second. So the actual accessories and everything that comes with it, you get two azimuth adjustment bolts that come with it. You get a power connector cable. Now, very quickly I will say I was a little bit disappointed to see that it didn't come with its own power brick. For an amount that costs over £3,000, I would have expected to come with a power brick. Slightly disappointing there. It comes with a USB-A to USB-C cable. It also comes with another USB-C to USB-C cable. Which is this one here, which I had out. So you do get a USB-C to USB-C. Comes with a little Allen key, an instruction manual, and the hand controller. Now, the hand controller has been a bit of a bone of contention with some people. That obviously, if you look there, the screen is tiny, and if I put my thumb next to it, you can see just how small that screen really is. But to be fair, I've powered it up and it is perfectly serviceable. That's the way I'd describe it. Okay, let's move these guys out of the way for a second and let's have a look at the actual mount itself. So if we start at the front here, we have an ST4 port there using a USB-C connection, which is also used for the hand controller. You've got your PC mount control, so to connect the USB-C to your actual PC or SIR or whichever device you're going to use. Power button, the power socket, a couple of status lights, and down here we have a homing button. So if it gets out of sync for whatever reason, you can just press that and hold it for a few seconds and it will do a home. Okay, having a quick look at the saddle. Saddle accepts both Losmandy and Vixen. Fairly smooth, nice operation there. Saddle itself, absolutely zero play in there whatsoever. If we look at the front of the mount here, sorry, the back of the mount, we've got your altitude adjustment there. I have to say that's very, very smooth. One of the smoother ones I've ever used. On the sides here, we have just a locking bolt for the altitude on both sides. Sorry, it's very difficult to hold, and so I'll maybe just move the camera back. Sorry, bear with me. Okay, that might be a bit better. So, as I was trying to suggest, so you've got the altitude locking bolts on either side. Down the bottom down here, that is the azimuth locking, because obviously when it's not locked, you have some obviously adjustment in there for obviously when you're adjusting your azimuth with the knobs, certain slide. That seems a very, very smooth motion on there. And from the reports from other people, it's meant to be very, very nice. The only other thing to quickly mention is if we look at the bottom, we've got your 3/8 bolt in the middle and your 3 M6, which I believe is M6 with 1.0 pitch thread on it. Again, another slight disappointment is that it didn't come with a selection of those M6 bolts. You're going to have to go out and get your own. we'll do a quick power up of the mount for 2 minutes, and we can have a look at it, and we'll have a look at the hand controller as well. So let's plug that in there. On mine, after it powers on, I hear a distinct click noise. It's almost as if it's a solenoid in there. I'll plug the hand controller in there, and then we should expect to see when the hand controller is connected. I believe it brings up a blue light, so I'll just give that a few seconds. So to give you an idea, I'm not sure how well that's going to show up on the screen, so it's busy looking for the mount, and it takes about a minute, and there you go, it says connection okay. So if we look at the screen, you can see yourself. I'll try and focus as best I can. You can see that it is a tiny screen. Sorry, the camera is really struggling to focus on that tiny screen. It is small, but it's serviceable. You have the different menu options in there, so it is usable. I will do another video with the mount slewing, and you guys can have a listen for the noise to see what you guys think. But so far it seems very high quality, very nicely made. Initial impressions are very good. The only minor issue I've had so far is that it's doesn't seem to be picking up the GPS, even when I'm putting it outside to try it, so I'll have to speak to WarpAstron support, but other than that, it's looking good. Right guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you all soon.